Hello, my name is Oskar Storm and I'm sitting here together with Anders Pettersson from Crook & Tjäder Architects and Erik Stening from Fasadglas Berlin. And behind us, here at the Body Buddy Cafe at Masthugskajen in Gothenburg, is the building site for Habitat 7. And it's the first project in Scandinavia that will use the low-carbon ORAÉ product from SAINT-GOBAIN. So, Anders, could you tell me a little bit about the basics of this project?
Well, it's a 9-story office building located in the central harbor area of Gothenburg. Approximately 9,000 square meters of office space.
Okay, any special certifications?
Yeah, the aims are set high for this to become a truly sustainable project. So we got working with the BREEAM Excellent certification and also the Zero CO2 certification.
Okay, zero CO2 sounds close to low carbon. So what are the main actions there to reduce carbon, embodied carbon?
Yeah, we're actually looking on reducing all the materials and the footprints of all the materials in the building.
And that's why you are here, Erik. You are the man behind the facade.
From the beginning it was very clear that it was a low carbon project. Timber facade system the core is totally made out of glulam instead of aluminum as would be the usual.
And how much does that reduce the carbon footprint, more or less?
If we did a comparison and with the complete facade, and we got a reduction by 43% by just changing the system, and that's with original ordinary glass units.
So with no steel or concrete in the structure or in the facade, I guess the glass became a big carrier of carbon.
Absolutely. The general design of the building demands a lot of glass. We want to bring as much natural light into the building as possible. And we also want to, of course, show the timber structure. So glass becomes a significant area of the facade.
Yeah, it's like 4,000 square meters of facade and 30% of that is glass.
Okay. That's where SAINT-GOBAIN is trying to bring this into the circular economy. We actually we reduced the amount of building materials on landfill. We reduced the use of primary materials in our building, and we reduced the carbon footprint in ORAÉ, the raw material, by actually 40%. And that's proven by an EPD. And I guess it's made a significant impact for you.
Absolutely. When Erik and his team presented us with this new product, we could make the comparison with normal float glass and quickly see that this actually meant that we could reduce the carbon footprint significantly. So the decision was soon made to go with recycled float glass.
Okay. And Erik, do you see that for more projects around here?
Oh, definitely. More than 80% of everything we're quoting now. A project that we're looking at right now is the Faculty of Fine, Applied and Performing Arts in Gothenburg. It's a Gothenburg University building that is rebuilt and with 2 big additions. And the old glass is going for recycling. Hopefully the new glass will be the same glass recycled, I hope.
Oh, that sounds really exciting. Thank you, Erik, and thank you, Anders, for joining me here. And I'm really excited to see how it's going to look when it all comes up.
It will be beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.